Hi.
We gotta get you a
High-ripping white Converse and black jeans, the Friday beer shirt, and a Florida State jersey.
I don't know why we didn't put our almond milk or coffees in the cooler.
They're gonna be peeking at my cards. You're gonna see it in the thing. You can see my card right now. You can
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alyssa. If you are new here, I am so excited for this week's video. I feel like I say that in every video, but I'm very excited about this one and you guys will see why. Jacob and I are gonna head to Publix. We need to get some snacks. I will show you guys what we get and why we need snacks when we get back, even though it'll probably be the title of this video, but act surprised. I will show you guys when we get back. Hi guys, we are back from Publix. I'm going to show you guys the snacks that we got. So basically Jacob and I are staying in an Airbnb tomorrow night, but the Airbnb is on a boat. So the Airbnb is like a little houseboat for 2 people. So we're sleeping on a boat tomorrow night and then we like check out or leave on Saturday. So we got some stuff for breakfast Saturday morning, and then we also just got a bunch of snacks because they recommend not really leaving the boat if you can help it. So since we're only gonna be there for one night, we figured it's easy enough to just get all of our stuff and stay on the boat. So we're probably either gonna get takeout and bring it on the boat with us or grab a quick dinner before we check in. So as for snacks, we got 2 things of popcorn. We got some salt and white cheddar. They were buy one, get one free, so had to get those. And then Jacob got these zesty buffalo pretzels. We got, We got some Sour Patch Kids, Airhead Extremes, peanut butter M&Ms. These are my favorite. And then for Saturday morning, we just got some cereal. We got Honey Nut Cheerios and Cinnamon Toast Crunch because I couldn't decide. So almond milk to have with our cereal, and then we got some coffees as well. So Jacob got this Starbucks Nitro Cold Brew. It is a dark cocoa sweet cream flavor, and I got a vanilla oat milk latte. So that is everything that we got. I can't wait to show you guys a tour of the boat and just bring you guys along for our little weekend. Hi guys, so we are in the area. We're like 5 minutes away from our Airbnb. Jacob just went into a little like quick stop to grab himself some beer because we just got pizza. Pizza's like our new thing apparently, but he wants some beer with his pizza. Yes, we're breaking dry January. We also have wine. I will show you guys more when we get there. We have made it onto the boat. I'm going to give you guys a tour before the sun goes down, but look how pretty this is. There are some kayaks for us to use in the morning. This is gonna be hard to show you guys. So this is where we got on. They have a little outdoor area here that is inside, which I will show you. Okay, so we've got a little bathroom here. And then this is literally it. That is our bed. That looks out the front of the boat. Look how pretty. And that is it. I literally can't believe I'm going to be sleeping in a boat, but pretty cool. Definitely an experience. And there's Jacob. Look how pretty it is though. Cheers. This is worth breaking dry January for. Our view. Good morning, guys. It is like 6:45 right now. I am outside. I wanted to watch the sunrise, of course, but it's like super overcast and foggy this morning, so I don't really think we're gonna get anything too nice, which is kind of a bummer because there was so much potential for there to be like this beautiful sunrise on the water, but that's okay. There was rain in the forecast, but it never ended up raining, so I'm just glad that like we did not have to deal with that. But I will show you guys my view. So if you guys can see those buildings, they are all super foggy, but I think once Jacob wakes up, we're going to take the kayaks out. I am just gonna let him sleep for a little bit because sadly there was no sunrise to wake up to. So just gonna let him sleep for a bit, but I think we're gonna do that and then probably just hang out for a little bit, maybe try and figure out the shower situation. So there is like a full shower, as they call it, but it's basically just, I don't even know what that's called. Do you know how there, when you have a sink, there's like the regular faucet and then there's like a detachable faucet? Is that what that's called? I don't know, but they have like a detachable sink head thing in the bathroom that you can use. There's like soap and everything, and the floors are slitted so that the water can drain. So I don't know, maybe we'll try and shower. I definitely could use a little rinse, but we are actually staying in Miami for the afternoon. Florida State is playing Miami in basketball in Miami, and we had no idea. I booked this without knowing, but once we found out, we got tickets. So we're gonna go and do that. That's at 2 o'clock. So we'll probably stay here until like 11 or so, and then probably get off and grab lunch or something. But let me show you guys the kayaks and then where apparently we are supposed to be able to take them. So those are the kayaks we can use, and then apparently over there on that island you can kayak over there since it's pretty low tide, and then you can kind of get out and walk in the water over there and just explore that little island. So we will see what we end up doing, but I think that would be fun. This is the shower I was referring to, by the way. Been wearing my new Lululemon scuba set pretty much the whole time. It has been so comfy. I have no idea how I'm going to pull myself together for this basketball game, but I guess you will see. Ku decided to join us, so he can't see you. Yeah. Kayak. I'm vlogging now because I don't know how much I will be able to get later. I don't want to drop my phone.
Are you kidding me? We found another little
island that we stopped at. This one is so nice. Look at this view. Our boat is one of those out there. I'm gonna grab my sunglasses. It's much later. We are back from kayaking. It was so much fun. I got some clips on my phone, so I will show you guys that. I pulled myself together as much as I could. I put a little bit of makeup on. And this is the outfit for the game. I'm wearing Jacob's huge basketball jersey, some high tops. Jacob is, oh God, you can't see at all.
Hi.
We gotta get you a
I'm ripping white Converse and black jeans with a Friday beer shirt and a Florida State jersey.
We stopped at an area nearby just to grab a quick bite to eat before the game. I don't know. I think this place is called Barracuda. I don't know. We kind of just like stumbled upon it. It's on, they have this street blocked off and they just have a bunch of picnic tables and stuff out here. So we ended up just coming here because a lot of the restaurants in this area are very crowded and we just don't have time. But we got some beers and a burger. from Miami. That is all of the footage that I got from this weekend, but we seriously had such a good time. We loved spending the night on the boat. Also, kayaking in the morning was so much fun. We were both like, we need to get some kayaks. And then we went to the Miami-Florida State basketball game. Florida State ended up winning by 1. They were up almost the entire game. I think at halftime they were up by 20 something points, and then Miami came back. Of course, we knew that was going to happen, but like I said, Florida State ended up winning by 1, so it was just an exciting game to be at. We also saw Dave Portnoy, the Barstool founder, pizza review guy, so that was also just cool to see. And then we pretty much just came home and have been relaxing the rest of the weekend. But if you made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one.